Welcome, tech enthusiasts and gamers alike. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance computing to bring you the top 5 CPUs for gaming in 2023. These processors are the perfect match if you're building a desktop or gaming setup, ensuring you get the most out of your gaming experience. I've also included the links to the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have the Intel Core i5-10600K. This mid-range CPU offers excellent gaming performance at a more affordable price point. It's built on the Comet Lake architecture and features 6 cores and 12 threads, making it great for multitasking and moderate workloads. It has a base clock speed of 4.1 GHz and can boost up to 4.8 GHz when you need that extra power. With a TDP of 125 watt, a good cooling solution is necessary. This CPU uses the LGA 1200 socket. Next on our list is the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. This CPU is a force to be reckoned with, offering stellar performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. Built on the Zen 3 architecture, it features 12 cores and 24 threads, ensuring it can handle heavy workloads with ease. It has a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz and can boost up to 4.8 GHz when you need that extra kick. With a TDP of 105 watt, a good cooling solution is a must. This CPU uses the AM4 socket, so keep that in mind when choosing your motherboard. Moving on, we have the Intel Core i7-10700K. This high-performance CPU is another excellent choice for gamers. It's built on the Comet Lake architecture and features 8 cores and 16 threads, making it great for multitasking and heavy workloads. It has a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, but can boost up to 5.1 GHz when the going gets tough. With a TDP of 125 watt, it's essential to have a good cooling solution. This CPU uses the LGA 1200 socket. Next, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. This high-performance CPU is a great choice for gamers who want excellent performance without breaking the bank. Built on the Zen 3 architecture, it features 8 cores and 16 threads, making it great for multitasking and heavy workloads. It has a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz and can boost up to 4.7 GHz when you need that extra power. With a TDP of 105 watt, a good cooling solution is recommended. This CPU uses the AM4 socket. Last but not least, we have the Intel Core i9-10900K. This high-end desktop processor is a beast when it comes to gaming. With its Comet Lake architecture, it boasts 10 cores and 20 threads, making it a multitasking powerhouse. It has a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz, but don't let that fool you. When you need that extra power, it can boost up to a hopping 5.3 GHz. However, with a TDP of 125 watt, you'll want to make sure you have a robust cooling solution to keep temperatures in check. The CPU uses the LGA 1200 socket, so make sure your motherboard is compatible. And there you have it, those are our top 5 CPUs for gaming in 2023. Remember, the perfect CPU for you depends on your specific needs and budget, so take your time, do your research, and choose the one that best fits your gaming rig. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming.